Because Sriti was doing it.
Dharmiya chose us.
Yeah, it's great fun to be working with Sriti. Not just working now, even when we chill together, it's just too much fun because she's a super chiller. All the love that Darmiyan is getting today is because of everybody who's associated with the show, who's part of the show, and obviously it's because of the fans.
But I want more people to listen to Dharmiya and make it more popular and successful.
और अगर आप भी एक बुक लवर हैं बिल्कुल मेरी तरह, then I'm guessing that you guys are super related and excited to actually listen the story behind Dharmiya. जी हाँ, मैं तो बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ कि ऑडिबल की ये कहानी जिसमें श्रुति और शब्बीर की आवाज मेरे को सुनने को मिलेगी एंड वो कहानी जानने को मिलेगी. Well, I'm super related and today with me विशाखा पंडित जुड़ने वाले हैं श्रुति एंड शब्बीर और बात करेंगे अपने सफर के बारे में, अभिज्ञा को मिले प्यार के बारे में, दरमिया के बारे में, and a lot more about their journey and what not. तो आइए चलिए बुलाते हैं श्रुति शब्बीर को और जानते हैं what do they have to share with all of you guys out there. Well guys, I would say firstly congratulations. प्रॉमिसिंग है काफी दैट यू नो आपकी आवाजों से अब फैंस कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं दोबारा दरमिया के जरिए, ऑडिबल के जरिए. क्या शुरुआती तौर पर बताना चाहेंगे यू नो अबाउट द स्टोरी और मे बी व्हाई यू चोज दरमिया?
Because Sriti was doing it.
Dharmiya chose us.
Yeah.
But what is the story behind Dharmiya?
So it is the first audio show that Balaji was collaborating with Audible.
Yeah.
And the story is very interesting, very different from the work that I was doing, and so it was very interesting. And I was just fortunate that I had the belief in me that I could do this just with my voice, because I had never done anything like this before. So that's how it happened, and I'm so glad it happened because it was such a learning experience, because it's just your voice and because there are time constraints and there is this background to be added to create an environment of the scene and everything, so you can't improvise much and everything. And it was a lot of fun to do a scene just sitting in front of a mic, which is very different from what we usually get to do. So yeah, it's been quite amazing.
शबीर, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं एक दर्शक की तरह, जब आपने दरमिया की कहानी सुनी थी तो आपका पहला रिस्पॉन्स क्या था उसके बारे में?
पर तो मुझे कहानी बहुत अच्छी लगी थी. आई थॉट जो कहानी है बहुत सही है. जैसे हम वीडियो में वीडियो बना रहे हैं ऑडियो, तो जब सुना ऑडियो तो क्योंकि मैंने ऑडियो शो कभी किया नहीं था तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि ऑडियो शो में किस किस्म का डिटेलिंग होता है, किस प्रकार के लोग जोड़ते हैं शोज में, जैसे साउंड इंजीनियर होता है एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. एंड आई थॉट if we had visuals to the show, it would be damn good. But then when I started recording for the show, and the kind of professional people that go behind making an audio show, it is just amazing to be working with such talented people. Obviously, when you work with really good people, really professional people who enjoy what they do, you also somehow come shining through. You piggyback on them. So we were nurtured into our process of making Dharmiya. And I think all the love that Darmiyan is getting today is because of everybody who's associated with the show, who's part of the show, and obviously it's because of the fans.
मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी थी कहानी. क्यों? And मतलब without giving any spoilers, I really liked the last episode, and which is very unpredictable. Thinking the story will go to the other way, but that really came as a surprise, and I really liked it.
Fans unexpectedly have loved you beyond borders or beyond the point कि COVID है, please don't step out, don't do things for us, and yet they have gone beyond the level of actually surprising you guys. How does that love from them feels like for you people?
Very fortunate. Very fortunate. They've already started, like they have a name for the new characters. Vidhan and Sakshi, they call them Vidhakshi, which is the culture now is popular.
Wow.
Amazing. And we've been told that it was trending on Twitter one day. And the characters are also written, they're very endearing and very real characters. Like I really like Vidhan as a character. Since we were doing it for the first time, I wasn't expecting it at all. The kind of reaction that the audio has got, the story has got, the kind of support that it has got, I wasn't expecting it at all. You can like create a studio in your house, which we didn't do. We went to a studio and did it, but you can do it. You can record it from your house. You can listen to in your house. You can listen to it at any time. You can listen to while cooking. Listen to it while having a bath.
Please tell me honestly, what was the first impressions that you guys had of one another? और आज इतने वक्त साथ काम करने के बाद वो impression बदला है, transform हुआ है या अभी भी कुछ similar है? What is it like?
I always thought he's very cool, and it has only been cool.
Shruti, I think she's very cool. Not just cool, she's very well informed, and even that she just keeps growing on. And now she's she's entered my genre, which is adventure and sports. I've still not entered hers. So yeah, so it's great fun to be working with Shruti. Not just working now, even when we chill together, it's just too much fun because she's a super chiller.
कोई ऐसी कहानी है जो आप शायद जानती हैं, सुनी है, जो आप जैसे बस Audible के साथ जुड़ चुकी हैं, the voice audio kind of thing. You would like to get it towards the fans? कुछ ऐसा है?
ऐसा तो कुछ मैंने सोचा नहीं है. हालांकि मैं ऑडियो बुक्स वैसे बहुत सुनती हूँ. But I want more people to listen to Dharmiya and make it more popular and successful.
Okay, no comment. Well, guys, I would love to know the last thing out here because Dharmiya ke saath the fans are getting to know and connect with you guys all the more. But if I may ask, any such characters that you would love trying your hands at now because things are getting a little better, I would say. What kind of genres would they like to see you now ahead? What would you like to tell them?
I'd love to play something like Ridhan.
Wow.
Then I'll play Sakshi.
So I'm excited. Any parting words because Christmas आ रहा है, New Year आ रहा है. Fans आपके plans भी जानना चाहेंगे. क्या बताना चाहेंगे अंत में आप उन्हें?
Merry Christmas and have a good end to whatever's left of this year. Enjoy with your friends, your family, and if you haven't heard Dharmiya, listen to it now. It's doing really well, so we're grateful to our fans, and thank you guys for doing this. And yeah, we are elated, and we've also got a lot of requests for season 2 of Dharmiya. Hopefully we have that soon next year. Let's see. So yeah, thank you to all the listeners of Audible and all the listeners of Dharmiya, and thank you to all our fans. We love you. Thank you.
You said it all. That's all. Thank you for listening to us, and thank you for making Dharmiya such a success. It's so great.
Do you guys have any New Year resolutions? Because कुछ ही दिन बाकी रह गए हैं New Year's को अलविदा finally कहने के लिए इस साल को.
No. Because they keep breaking and stuff.
Last for a week.
Yeah, it lasts for a week.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, guys. I wish you all the luck. It was a pleasure having you here at Telly Chakkar. Good luck for Dharmiya, or better, season 2 of Dharmiya. I will surely listen to it. Thank you for joining with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, Shruti. Bye, Shruti. Well, thank you so much, guys. This was me, Vishakha Pandit, only at Telly Chakkar, जहाँ मेरे आज मेहमान थे Shruti and Shabbir Ahluwalia. Well, we really hope that you guys will love to hear this new story of Dharmiya on Audible. But we are very sure that you guys will also want to listen to the story of actually Dharmiya. And until then, this is me signing off for now. आप मेरे साथ नीचे बने comment section में अपना viewpoint, अपना नजरिया about Dharmiya share करना ना भूलिएगा.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.